Alright, what's up guys? We're going to do a quick video here on how to do a brake mod on a older Honda four-wheeler. This one happens to be a 2003 Honda FourTrax 350. It's the four-wheel drive manual shift. This I'll have a link in the description for all the parts from Amazon for this. It's a pretty easy mod, and I can't find a single video on YouTube on how to do this, so I figured I'd make one. So to start out, you're gonna get this little piece here. This is a brake switch, all right? And when this goes on, it's depressed when the brake is released, and that's what turns the switch off. When you then pull it, the button releases, turning the brake on. That's the right or the driver's side. On the passenger side, it bolts underneath here. And when the brake is pulled, the button's released, brake's released, button goes back in. There's a harness that you're gonna buy here, and I have the zip tied on both sides, that simply just plugs in to this piece here. There's a couple little boots on each side. There is, on the passenger side, there will be a second set of boots that come out of here, and that's the start and gear switch, which my model does not have. If you have an older model, you probably won't either, and you can cut those right off. The wires that have the ones you need are going to be the blue wire and the green and yellow wire. The one for the boot, let's see if I have it here. The one that came off the boots were green and gray. That's the boot you can cut off. From there, you're gonna run your harness down. And I soldered here. You can do whatever you want to do. But you'll see here you have the 4 wires coming in. You have the green with the yellow stripe, the blue, and then the non-existent needed ones anymore, the gray and the green. You're gonna connect 2 wires for the green and the yellow and the blue, and it doesn't matter which one goes where. But you're gonna wire one. You can see I took it up through here. One's gonna go to your positive on your battery. The other is gonna be your brake switch that's gonna come back here. Here's the white wire coming in. Here's the existing light that was already on this machine. The existing light here has a red wire and a green wire that come out of it. That's this black wire or black housing here. You are going to snip that and snip that off. And from there, you're going to buy yourself just a standard LED trailer light. You're going to hook up the black and white wires and solder those to the green and red wire. And then your white wire that you ran back from your brake switch, that's either tied to either the blue or the green and yellow, doesn't matter, is going to tie into the red wire. And I soldered everything. You can do it however you please. And what that allows now is when you turn your headlights on, you will see the dim light there. And when you pull the brake switch, pull it for me. When you pull the brake switch, it's gonna light up. It's a pretty easy mod. Take all your plastics off on one side. I did this side, the driver's side. You could easily do the passenger side of the vehicle. That's where all the rest of the wires are already routed. I just wanted something clean and easy on this side to do it with. Again, I'll have a link in the description for everything here. You basically need to buy the 2 brake switches, the 2 screws. There's a little plastic collar that goes in underneath here. You'll buy the harness that goes down, and you'll need to pick up some extra wire, solder gun, and a trailer tail light. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.